will notice that Amazon does not give specific sales data for marketplaces, meaning when Amazon does its reporting, because Amazon's a publicly listed company, when Amazon does its reporting, it reports an overall rather than a market specific. So it's impossible to give you the answer to that because nobody knows. The only people that know is Amazon themselves, and they ain't sharing that data. It would be nuts if they did as well, if you think about it from their point of view. I will tell you though that Amazon reported that Australia was their fastest growing e-commerce marketplace in the world. So Amazon has stated that. And if you look at what is happening in terms of the search volume as well, Amazon is growing here in Australia really, really rapidly. And finally as well, Amazon USA is what's called a mature marketplace, meaning that they've had tremendous growth in the last, 17, 18 years, whatever it is. They've had tremendous growth, and that's been one of those kind of hockey stick sort of curves where it's been like a unicorn kind of thing, you know what I mean? And now, of course, that's a mature market, and it's not flatlining, but they've had the majority of their fast growth. That's happened. Australia, we're in that hockey stick, we're in that hockey curve. We're at the beginning of the phase because we've only been live for a year. Just had their anniversary, actually, their 1 year anniversary for Amazon Australia. And so there's that. I will tell you as well, and this applies to everybody, if you don't look at the Amazon reports, stock market reports, then you're missing out on a ton of really useful information. This is where you get it from. That's the annual report there, which is a bit onerous, but an easier thing to read if you're not very au fait with share reports is just to read the letter to the shareholders. You'll get a ton of great information from that, and the way that you get that is I'm going to give you the link, send to all, and I usually post it in the Facebook group as well when it's in there, but it's well worth getting that information. That will give you a ton of great stuff as well. Amazon does not report individual marketplaces. They report marketplaces as a whole. It would be crazy for them to do individual marketplaces when you think about it. So that's the second best we can do. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.